Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll be talking about remote notifications. So basically I'll be setting it up on Flutter. The concepts are kind of similar for Swift and Android, so I'm not going to touch on those. Now the main thing that you have to keep in mind is the the Firebase needs to be configured properly. Now you can see here this is the Firebase project. I have already configured it, but I'll be uploading another video on Firebase because whoever is little confused on how to set up Firebase, that video will help you guys. So stay tuned for the next video. Now for this video we will talk on how to set up the remote notifications. So here, first of all, you need to initialize the Firebase, and this has to be done before anything else, okay, or else it's not gonna work. So this is the best place for it to be initialized, like in main. Now the next thing we need to see is we have to register the notifications. So here you can see that we are requesting the permission from the user that whether we can send them notifications or not. This is very important. If the user doesn't allow or if you don't ask this permission, it will not work. Okay. Next is on background message. So this is basically to handle the notifications in the background. Then like you can handle it more further, like I've just like printed it here, but you can handle it more. Now next is if it's authorized, right, we are going to grant the permission. And if you're going to grant the permission, right, we will check the notification and we'll see what details has been passed out. So now this listen is very important, right, because whenever we receive notifications, okay, this will basically get triggered. So when we send notifications here, this dot listen will be triggered, right? And once it gets triggered, we can like convert the message that's written here. We can pass the message that's written here, and we can assign it, like you can use it anywhere else, or like for example here I have done it in a push notification, right? Then after that we just, like I'm just updating the info on the home screen, which I'll show the app in the app. Then yeah, so these are all simple messages and handling and stuff like that, right? And rest is all like fine, you don't have to do anything. Like this file I'm just printing out the content, basically like how many notifications I'm getting, but nothing serious there. So yeah, when I run this, right, we are going to test it live to understand if this works. And in order to test it, like you can go back and test it, but basically you need to go to messaging, right? And if you don't get this, you can check in all products, right? I just used it recently, so it's showing here. Now you go to new campaign, okay, and you have this notifications. Then you just test this, right? Just add a testing, and then when I click on send test message, right, here I have added a FCM token. Okay, how do we get that? We get that from here. Okay, I have printed out the FCM token. Okay, so and that the token that's getting printed, that one I am putting it here. So yeah, I'm going to send in the same token and we are going to test it. And then as you can see, there is the notification. Now same, you just close it and then try to send it again. And there you go, you can you'll be getting another notification. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys understand and see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.